Alright, so today we have this F-150 F-150 Lariat in for a ceramic coat. It's going to need a little more attention than just a little prep. It looks like it's going to need some paint correction, but I believe after the wash we'll see a big difference and then we can go from there. But yeah, we're going to get it cleaned up, prepped, and coated. Alright, so just want to show you guys what I'm working on. Just look at the paint. It's not very pleasing to the eye. But then you go over here. Quite a bit better. Quite a bit. You still see reflection, but it's not as good as this. Nowhere near. It's crazy. And the coating has been applied. Check that out. It's much better than what it looked like before. I actually see a clearer reflection. If you guys have any questions about our services, just send us a message.